Hello and welcome back again in CAD with Kamal. Let's take a new exercise in SolidWorks part modeling. This is a simple model for beginners. If you are learning CAD, this tutorial is going to be helpful for you. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe our channel. So let's start this tutorial. So I'll stop this animation here, cut it, click on new, select part and OK. I set my screen background in plain white and unit measurement in millimeter. Let's see our model drawing. So there's a top view, front view and side view, and you can see here section view also. And see in front view there's a two bushes. One bush OD is dia 60, ID is dia 30, and the second one is OD dia 42 and ID dia 20. The bush thickness is, you can see in side view, 20 mm, and these are two supporting ribs and which thickness have 10 mm, and the radius is R2, and you can see in here the supporting rib radius is 115 and R60 for outer one, and for inner one is this one is 107 and R68. So let's create this sketch first. So I select front plane here, sketch, and I select circle. I draw 4 circles here. Let's apply dimension here. So this one is dia 60, this one dia 30, this one is 42, and this one is 20. There is a distance of both bushes 105. So let's apply here with this point and this point center 105. Let's apply a relation with this origin point and center point horizontal. So it is fully defined. Let's create the arc. So for arc I select 3-point arc and start with here, here and finish here. Let's apply relation first. Tangent and tangent, 115 arc. Okay. One more arc. This is R60. Use trim entities, power trim, and cut it this extra entities. Now for the internal radius, this is R107 and this is R68. So come in SolidWorks, we use offset entities. Select here 8 mm and we select this. Okay. Again offset entities 8 mm, we select this, but this time reverse. Okay. Let's use trim entities, power trim, and trim this. Okay. Now we need to apply our 4 fillet here. So we cannot apply directly sketch fillet because it is complete circle. So we draw a circle here. The value of circle is dia 8. Let's apply relation. Tangent with this and this also tangent. Now we come in move entities. So click here, select copy entities, entities to copy, we select this, and from this start point from 2 we select this point and copy, we make 3. Okay. Now apply relation here, tangent with this and this, same here. Now use trim entities, power trim. We trim this. To fully define this sketch, give value to this arc R4. So our sketch is fully defined and complete here. So we exit from here and come in Extrude Boss Base feature. Select here sketch. For selected contour, we select this first. Now see, in drawing this bush thickness is 20 mm. So we have to, suppose it is blind here. So select this contour. So we have to divide this thickness in both sides on same value. So we select mid plane here and give value thickness of total thickness 20. Okay. Again select Extrude Boss Base and select sketch here. And selected contour we select this time here. This. Same mid plane we use here, but the thickness is 10 millimeter. The important thing is that here is merge results is checked. If you uncheck this, see here he can create multiple bodies here. If we check this merge result, we create single body. Okay. Now time to apply radius and fillets here. Sorry, fillet and chamfer. So chamfer is 1 into 45 and radius is R2. So we select fillet here. We select this constant side fillet. So fillet we select here 2 and we select these edges. Okay. Now for chamfer, we select this chamfer 1 into 45. We select this face. Okay. Let's apply appearance for color. So you saw here how we design this 3D model using some basic feature and tools. I hope you like this tutorial. For more such informative tutorials, subscribe to our channel. If you like the video, then like it and share it. See you in next tutorial. Thank you so much.